Which among the following defines a pleiotropic gene? A pleiotropic gene is one that affects multiple traits or characteristics in an individual. This means that a single gene can influence more than one phenotypic trait either directly or indirectly. So that means the correct answer is option A, controls multiple traits in an individual. Whereas coming to option B, it is expressed only in primitive plants. This is incorrect because pleiotropy is not limited to primitive plants. It can occur in any organism, including animals and humans. Option C, this is the gene evolved during Pliocene. This is also incorrect because it is not specific to a particular geological area like the Pliocene. So option C is also incorrect. D, it controls a trait only in the combination with another gene. This is also incorrect because this is explaining the epistasis process, not pleiotropy. So the correct answer is option A.